x equal to 1 plus square root of 13 all over 2. Find the value of x6. One way is to replace x with this, raised to the power of 6. I will tell you first another way. Okay, so because we know x equal to this, if I cross multiply, 2x equal to 1 plus root 13. And if we subtract by 1, 2x minus 1 equal to root 13. And if I raise to the power of 2, 2x minus 1 squared equal to root 13 squared. And now, 2x minus 1. A famous identity that a minus b squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So it will be left-hand side 2x squared minus 2 times 2x times 1 plus 1 squared equal to 13. 2x squared equal to 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. And if you take 13 to left-hand side, it will be negative 13 equal to 0. And now 1 minus 13 is negative 12. So 4x squared minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. If we divide by 4, it will be x squared minus x minus 3 equal to 0. Then if you take x and 3 to right hand side, x squared equal to x plus 3. And that's so much good because here we use this and decrease the power of x. We want to find x to the 6. So if we calculate x to the 6, I want to reach from x squared to x to the 6. So I say x to the 6 equal to x squared to the 3 by power rule. X squared, if I call this one, for example, equation number 1, I can say from equation number 1, I can say it is x plus 3 cubed. And we have a famous identity that's a plus b cubed. You should memorize this. Equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. And if you apply it here, it will be x cubed plus 3x squared times 3 plus 3x times 3 squared plus 3 cubed. And it will be x cubed. 3 times 3, 9, plus 9x squared. 9 times 3 plus 20, 7x plus 3 cubed, which is 27. Now, if I use again first equation here, 1, so I know that x cubed is x times x squared, plus instead of x squared here, I replace with equation number 1, x plus 3 plus 27x plus 27. And at the end, it will be x times, again, we apply equation number 1 instead of x squared here. I replace it with x plus 3 plus 9x plus 27 plus 27x plus 27. Again here, I will have x squared plus 3x plus 9x. Let me write all x plus 27x. Here, and then plus 27 plus 27. And if we simplify, again, if we apply equation number 1 instead of x squared, I replace it with x plus 3. 3x, 9x, 27x. It will be 36, 39. X 27 plus 27 will be 54. Now we have x plus 39x, 40x, plus 3 plus 54 will be 57. Now, on first equation, I know that x equal to 1 plus root 13 over 2. So because x equal to 1 plus root 13 over 2, if we replace it here, it will be 40 times 1 plus root 13 over 2 plus 57. 40 over 2, it's 20. 20 times 1 plus 57 is 77 plus 20 root 13. So we found this answer. I wanted to teach you this trick. But if you see, for example, these things, you can find the equation and decrease the power of x. It was solution number 1. Solution number 2 is with replacement. X is 1 plus root 13. Let's write solution number 2. X equal to 1 plus root 13 over 2, and x to the 6 equal to what? So here, x to the 6 equal to 1 plus root 13 over 2 to the power of 6. So if you want to calculate this, I factor 1 over 2 to the 6 because a to the m over a to the n equal to a. Let me call this a b. Or let me write better one here. Here, the power is equal. So we can say a over b by power rule. To the power of m is a to the m over b. So because I can say 1 over 2 to the 6, 1 plus root 13, power of 6. And it will be 1 over 64, 1 plus root 13, the power of 6. If you know binomial theorem, a plus b to the power of 6 will be a to the 6. You can find it for n. I can tell you if you have a question, comment below this video. But for 6, if I want to write, it will be a to the 6, 6a5, b plus the next one will be, let me tell you, it's 6 choose 1, 6 choose 0, 6 choose 1, 6 choose 2, which is 15, a to the 4 b squared plus 20a cubed b cubed plus 15a squared b to the 4 plus 6a b to the 5 plus b to the 6. So if we apply it here, x to the 6 is 1 over 64. A to the 6 is 1 to the 6 plus 6a5, 1 to the 5 times b, root 13, plus 15, okay, plus 15, 1 to the 4, root 13 squared, plus 20, 1 cubed, root 13 cubed, plus the next one is 15, 1 squared, root 13 to the 4, and next one is plus 6 times 1 times root 13 to the 5, and plus root 13 to the power of 6. And now, if we want to simplify, it will be 1 over 64. 1 to the 6 is 1. 5 times 6 times this will be 6 root 13. Root 13 squared is 13. It will be 15 times 13. So I write 15 times 13 plus. The next one is 20. When you have root 13 cubed, it's root 13, root 13, root 13. Root 13 times root 13 is 13, so it will be 20 times 13, root 13. The next one is 15 times this one, 13 times 13 plus. Next one is 6 times 13 times 13 times root 13. And last one is 13 cubed. Okay, so if we calculate the constant one here, this number and this number, then the numbers that have root 13 are these numbers. So if we calculate 1 over 64, if we calculate only the numbers, 1, okay, 15 times 13 is, calculate 195 plus this number, you multiply again by 13, it will be 2535 plus, and here it was 15, and the next one is 13 cubed. And if we calculate 13 cubed, it will be 2197. Now, let's calculate these numbers. 6 root 13. 20 times 13 will be 260 root 13. And the next one is 13 times 13 times 6. Calculate, it will be 10, 14. So as you can see, solution number 1 was so much better as I said before. So let's simplify. It will be 1 over 64. The first number, if you add up these four numbers, it will be 4928. Plus now, if we add these three numbers, they will be 1280 root 13. If we divide by 64, it will be 77 plus 20 root 13. This number. So let me draw with other color. Yes, our answer will be this. So let's check with previous solution. 77 plus 20 root 3. 20 root 13. So it is this. So we've solved this problem with two solutions. Both of them reached the same answer, but solution number 1 was so much faster. If you had any other solution, comment below this video. Thanks.